Snowba as well to kindly felicitate Sir Nonglat at this moment. The first to felicitate is the National President, National People's Party, Sir Conrad K. Sangma, who is also the Honorable Chief Minister of Meghalaya. Ladies and gentlemen, please give a big round of applause. The next dignitary to felicitate will be the State President, National People's Party, Shri Prastun Tinsaw. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause. We have the National Vice President NPP, Sir Sneau Palanghar, to felicitate Sir Nonglat at this moment. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give them a round of applause. The next person to felicitate will be the President of National People's Youth Front, Sir Wailat Miki Shilla. He is also the Minister. We also have, before we do that, we have Sir Hamlet to pin a badge of honor to Sir Nonglat. Ladies and gentlemen, let's give a big round of applause.